Hello everyone, I'm Vivek Vedant, an associate data scientist at Blackcoffer. Today we will go through a project which we have created for a client. In this project, we have created multiple PowerShell scripts. Let's go to this one by one. So in this script, we will be checking the audit of the particular folder. Let's create a dummy folder over here. Now let's run a command. So in this script, we will be providing a path of the folder, name of the write, a parameter. So over here check means we are checking if particular write exists this folder or not, the name of the account. Let's run this. Currently we don't have any audit. Now let's add a audit. Using same script, just we have to change this test check to add. Let's run this again. So it says it was added successfully. Let's recheck it. As you can see, it was added successfully. Now in the next script, we will be creating a WinRM listener. So currently it don't have any HTTPS listener. So let's create a listener over here. In this create script, we will be providing the name of the host and the SSL thumbprint. So over here we are providing self-signed SSL thumbprint. So it was created successfully. Now let's create a WinRM listener in the another VM as well. So over here also we don't have any listener. Let's run the script. Now let's once check the listener once again in the both. Okay, over here we have HTTPS also in another VM. Now let's try to connect one of the VM using WinRM. So over here we have this connect script takes the name of the host, a self-signed parameter. Self-signed means we have used self-signed certificate while creating listener. Let's run this. So if we run while it got connected. So now let's check the another VM and let's check the documents once. Currently in another VM we only have Windows PowerShell folder. Now let's try to create a test folder from the VM which we have connected. So let's verify once. So it is in user admin documents. In document we don't have any folder. Now in another VM the folder was created. So this means our VM was successfully connected using our script. Now in the next script, we will be validating the audit for system32 and the system INF folder in another VM. So we are providing the host name and we will be checking read audit. Let's run this. So currently it don't have any audit, so it says no audit is applied. So this was a short demo on the project. Lastly, I would like to thank Ajay sir and the team for the support. Thank you.